dustele tering yin dun de khare chelan thadu kashis chigeda thadu kashis na mang chayura ta nga English program in sure tering di nangol ta book review chine re poem gene re tega nang shigeda poch chine rhymes gyeda ani skit chinji ji godik chire ndi tunga samso the chaptun chagi ni mani snula re nga zo char suwe da de mangbu jurwa ti se de re zo chuju dinde chigane chini gos padu ya gonda tela chapde re tigana shige nyanga kyo identity gi chongda chigo re tikapla re
You have a goal for Einstein?
I like my name.
저 신도 말은 뭐 교실 디스카도지 야 레디 야 레디라 신도
But what's happening? Why are these animals floating?
You can find good somewhere else. If you are there, go find me. I will find poetry.
Who do you want to fight with?
저기도 타발도 내 줄에 돈 발라래라 여기 저 등산 차슈게도 그러대 봐라 사실 수고들이 랑바지 말라 카라죠 저게 랑바 차라스 자스라랑 저 danse 이쪽 시영아 시영아 바지 뜯기 섬디게 소리네 소리 듣기 싫은 건 민호 아마 소리 듣기 아니
We are going to have English program. It contains poem recitation, book review, short, skit and rhymes. The class starts further classified into 3 groups. First, Montessori students will be perform a rhymes, and then class 1 students will be going to perform a book review and poem recitation. At last, the class 2 or senior classes will perform a short skit and essay reading about Save the Tree. First, I would like to call Montessori students to recite rhymes. Second, I would like to call Montessori students to recite a rhymes called Wheel on the Balls.
The wheel and the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel and the bus go round and round, all through the time. The door on the bus go open and shut, open and shut. Open and shut, the door on the bus go open and shut, all through the time. The wheel on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and the bus go where, all through the dark. Thank you.
Thank you. Third, I would like to call Montessori students to recite of rhymes called head, shoulder, knees, and toes.
Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. March, march, march. Let our old march. March, march, march. Get your body charged. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Thank you. Thank you. Piece of paper, piece of paper, lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Make the place a tidy, make the place a tidy. Pick them up, pick them up. Thank you. Thank you.
Called Tion Chubel to recite a poem called My Mother.
Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to recite a poem called My Mother. My dearest mom, thanks for all the things you do. You make me happy. When I am sad, I really love you. When I am with you, I am so glad. Thank you.
To recite a poem called My Dad, My Hero.
Good evening. Today I am going to recite a poem called My Dad, My Hero. There is a hero in my life. There is a hero in my home. This hero can't fly. This hero can't go under sea. But my hero is special. My hero is brave. My hero is warm. My hero is you, Dad. Thank you.
Seventh, I would like to call Suli Nomjal to recite a poem called Name.
Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to recite a poem called Names. Everybody has a name. Some are different, some are same, some are short, some are long. All are right, none are wrong. I like my name. It is special to me. It is exactly who I want to be. Thank you.
Thank you. 8. I would like to call Shimendawa to recite a poem called Cloud.
Good evening. Today I am going to recite a poem called Cloud. It is hot. The sky is blue. A little cloud comes looking for you. More cloud comes. They bring rain, sing and dance. It is cool again. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to recite a poem called Kindness. Being kind is something people should do. It does not take much, even a simple thank you. Being friendly smile is another way to. Being kind is a good and nice thing to do. Thank you.
I would like to call Sonam Chudin to review a book called A Boy Who Cried Wolf.
Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Judan. Today I am going to review a book called The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Once upon a time there was a boy who pulled the villagers all the time like wolves attacking a stone blocks. But one day the actual wolf came and he called villagers for help. But they thought he was a kind making fool to them and they ignored his word. At last sheep was all eaten by wolf. Finally reject for lying them. Moral of the story is, we should never lie. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Tenilosar and I am going to review a book called Gita Cross. The book is all about merchant who owned a special hen which can able to lay a golden egg. After a while, he got ready by hand and make his life miserable by kill a hen. Moral of the story is, it is the biggest cross. Thank you.
My name is Richard. Today I am going to review a book called The Lion and Mouse. One day lion was sleeping under a tree and mouse came and chased the lion. Later lion caught the mouse but decided to let her go. After a few days lion was caught in net and mouse came to help him out by cutting the rope and set him free. Moral of the story is, an act of mercy is always rewarded. Thank you.
In this book, they represent a puppy, a squirrel, and a bird. But the squirrel does not like puppy. One day they were playing, and suddenly a bee and bird decided. Birds went to her nest, and the squirrel stuck in the muddy area. At last, puppy came and helped the squirrel to take out from it. The moral of the story is, a true friend is the one who has a beautiful heart. Thank you.
A short skit about Save Tree.
Where is my ball? This is happening to me because I disobeyed my mom. Has anybody seen my ball? What's wrong with you? Are you crying? Who hit you? Did you hurt the tree?
Nobody hurt me. Don't worry. You are too young. You don't understand. What is your name?
Champal, but tell me what's wrong with you?
You didn't get me, you didn't get me.
Ouch! Watch out!
Oh, I'm sorry. But what's wrong? Do you have a cold or are you crying? Tell us.
About tell me that woodcutter is coming to cut me down.
Are they going to cut you down?
To cut you down?
Where am I going to hide?
What I am going to do my nest?
What am I going to eat?
Will give me a share.
How sad the forest will be.
I will fight for you with my own hands.
Oh, there he is come. There the woodcutter. Let's get together.
Which tree should I cut? I will choose one. I like this one. But what's happening? Why are these animals bothering me?
Oh, please, don't do that.
Who is crying? The tree? Who cares about the tree? Do you all care?
We care. He gives us food, protect us. He cleans our air, and he is our friend.
I have a family and I need food to cook and get warm.
You can find wood somewhere else. You can find wood in old and dry branches and trees. This tree is our friend, and we are going to take care of him.
If you are brave, come fight with me. I will fight for a tree.
Who do you want to fight with?
Me? With nobody. Who said something about fighting?
He will not leave you. He will also have to destroy us.
Okay, that's enough. I will look somewhere else. Maybe for dry trees. I'm not a monster. Don't look at me that way. I understand now. Let the trees live.
We did it.
Where is he? Where is he?
He is gone. He understood. Our friend is sound and safe now.
I am very happy. Thank you, my friends.
Last but not least, I would like to call Funzo Chodin and Ngao Losang to read an essay about tree.
Good evening. Tree purify the air. All living beings to breathe. They serve us a place for insect and what to do. The time has come for us to take a non-violence, instead mode only towards each other, but towards the natural world, which means planting, not cutting trees, by His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Thank you.
My name is Noor Sir. Today I want to tell about a tree. Our prescription is tree. It gives us shade for tree. Tree provides the shelter and food, clean up the air and makes it good. Tree save us from hot sun rays, cools out the air and what's wet. Global warming is a great danger. Planting trees will be the game changer. The dying trees will bring us sorrow. Make green today and green tomorrow. Plant a tree to save the world. Plant a tree to save Mother Earth. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for being here. I really appreciate that you all took the time to be here and listen to our presentation. Good night.